What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you're having an amazing day. Guys, another little update video for y'all. We just got a big shipment of a bunch of different products and a couple things from Shimano, Megabass, American Bait Works, and this bad boy, which is probably going to be the centerpiece of this video, the brand new Baits OG, model OG, I guess. This is going to be a really cool reel. I think y'all will enjoy it. This one is also currently sold out at the moment, at the time of filming this video. Two came in, two went out the door the same day. Super excited about that, but go ahead and let's just run through some of the brand new things we got in the store. So Metanium, MGL, XG, and HG in right hand are now currently available. If you're looking for a lightweight, solid, just go-to reel for just about any technique you can think of, spinner baits, crankbaits, chatterbaits, Texas rigs, shaky heads, literally just about anything, Metanium is the way to go. MGL3 spool allows it to cast extremely far with a wide range of versatile lures. So whether you're throwing a jerkbait, a crankbait, like a 1.0, something like that, or all the way up to like a jig, the Metanium MGL can handle it. Comes in 3 different gear ratios. Currently, we only have HG and XG in the right hand, and I believe it's an HG in the left hand right now. So got these in. We also got a Kolkata Conquest MD. This is not the DC here, but this is just a Kolkata Conquest MD, guys, for y'all in the 400 size. This bad boy is huge, so if you're looking to chunk those big swim baits, I'm not talking your little 8-inch swim baits, I'm talking your big swim baits, guys. This is the one to do it on, Kolkata Conquest MD 400. Now, before we get into the baits reel here, guys, I do want to let you know of some really neat stuff coming out of SnagProof American Bait Works. This guy right here, these guys right here are American Bait Works SnagProof Zoo Dogs. What's awesome about these guys, these are a topwater walking bait in a frog configuration, essentially. So it's going to be a hollow body bait, just like a frog is. However, you can walk the dog with this now. So traditionally, with your walking baits, your spooks, or your like shower blows or something like that, you have treble hooks. You can fish this through weeded cover, hydrilla mats. You can fish this over water willow, and it is going to be something very unique that not a lot of people are doing up in that heavy vegetation. Now, it's got 2 really good hooks on it. I've had a few really nasty blow-ups on this bait right here, and they get it. When they get this bait down, I love how the hinge is right in the middle, so if that fish does eat it, it folds very easily, and it allows for an easy hookup right there. So they're not using a terribly like giant gauged hook. It's going to be fairly strong even in the thickest cover. So all super quality components, guys. The paint on these is really nice. So definitely check out the Zoo Dogs from SnagProof. What's really neat about these also, guys, is that in this Zoo lineup, there are also going to be Zoo Pups, as well as some other things coming out very soon from SnagProof. So I can say that the poppers, which are the Zoo Pups, are currently on their way. They had a little backup in production, and we are still waiting on a couple colors in each of these. So we got like a bluegill one now, and we also have a shad one right now. So definitely check those out on the website, lakeprotackle.com, guys. But I'm sure this is why everyone is here, why you clicked on this video. And if it is, guys, make sure to drop a comment down below if you think I should do a pre-order for these reels. Like I said, these sold out extremely quickly when we got these first 2 right-handed in. I would love to do a pre-order for the left-handed and some more right-handed ones. So if you would like that and you want us to start doing that for some of these hot, like really hard to get reels, let us know and we can start doing that for y'all. But baits, OG model hundo. If you're not keeping up with the social media, guys, go do it. I posted on the Instagram and the Facebook as soon as these came in, basically. So if you saw it on there, props to you. Thanks for keeping up with us here. Just like the hundo, guys, it's going to have a nice like roto molded foam that's holding this reel in here. You also get a really neat little neoprene carrying case that you can put your reel in, protect it just a little bit. And here we go, guys. Everything about this reel, mechanically wise and internally wise, is very similar to the Hundo. Hundo does use aluminum gears. However, this one here does have a brass gear. Adds just a hair bit of weight, 0.3 of an ounce to be exact. Has an 88 millimeter handle. Like I said, I do like a little bit bigger handles for a lot of my reels, especially once I get up to the 90 to 95 range. However, it is going to be the same really tacky material found in the Hundo, except this one is a black knob, which is really nice, still super smooth. The reel overall is going to be black and gold. And if you are keeping up with the social media, Instagram and Facebook, guys, I appreciate it. You're going to see all the cool stuff come in as it comes in the shop. Looks like my light just died, so we're going to do it like this here. Hope you guys don't mind. But overall, guys, looks like a Calcutta, and it is extremely, extremely smooth. Loosening up the tension, guys, it can free spool for quite a long time. Now, it does have a magnetic braking system. It doesn't have a dual braking system traditionally found like in the Hundo, where it's got the drum on the spool and it has magnetic. This one is just tension knob and magnetic braking, so it does have the same dial on the side right here, going from like 0 to like 8.5 essentially. Once we get some more of these in, or hopefully I can get with baits and see if we can get a sample one to try out, I would love to take this out on the water and try it out for myself. So, guys, baits, OGs, currently not available, but hopefully by the time this video goes up, we've got a pretty decent stock in, and y'all can try them out for yourselves. Overall, guys, it is extremely smooth. It's got like 10 bearings, 14 pounds of drag. Lots of other cool features, just like the Hundo. Like I said, it's going to be a 88 mil handle, 10 plus 2 plus 1 bearings, 29 inches per turn, so not bad at all, especially if you're throwing swim baits and stuff like that, a little heavier line. Magnetic braking, and looks like your capacity is 14 pound for 100 yards and a 7.1 to 1 gear ratio. So, guys, that is the OG or model OG from Baits. I hope you guys enjoy it. If you do, pick it up at Lake Pro Tackle or get on a pre-order that we might do here in just a little bit. Definitely keep up with the social media, Instagram and Facebook. We really appreciate it, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching, guys. See ya.